If you had bought $10,000 worth of Baidu stock at the beginning of 2024 and held on to it until now, you would have lost 22% or $2,224. However, if you had used this default MACD settings and this simple trading strategy of entering into a long trade when there is a bullish signal line crossover and exiting that long trade whenever there is a bearish signal line crossover, then you would have done 7 trades and profited $1,518. This template automatically backtests your specific trading strategy for this stock symbol using historical market data and shows which trades you would have entered if you had used this specific strategy and show whether it would have been a profitable trade or not. So download this template available in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel and backtest your own MACD trading strategy for your own trading window for your own preferred stock symbol.